Hey guys, Snowy here, and today I replaced the motor in a Dyson DC25 for the first time. The first time I ever disassembled to the motor in a Dyson DC25. Now this machine is not mine. I'm fixing it for somebody. That one is mine right there. And so I had replaced the motor because it was dried out. And so I got this new motor from Parts Warehouse. It's from it says Dyson on the box, of course. So, anyways, I replaced the motor, took it apart, replaced the motor, put it back together, turn it on, and this is what the results were. It's like a whole new Dyson. Oh, by the way, I did replace the filters as well. How dirty are they again? Nope, not at all. Yeah, I just replaced them, as well as the HEPA filter. Let's empty this out. Suction. Fact. Guys, plug the hose in. Sounds just like my animal. So, but anyways, that does it for this video. Comment, subscribe for more.